In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send high-priority email in Outlook. If you've ever needed to flag an email as urgent so it stands out for your recipient, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it in the Outlook web experience, step by step, with a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook. From the results, click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox. Once you're in, you'll see your folders on the left and your messages in the middle. We're going to compose a new message and then mark it as high priority so it's clearly labeled as important for the person receiving it. Click New Mail. This opens the Compose pane, typically on the right side of the screen. Here you'll enter your recipient, subject, and the body of your message. Before you start typing, let's set the priority so you don't forget later. Look toward the top center of the Compose window for options. Click Options to reveal additional message settings. In this menu, you'll find the importance controls. Click the exclamation mark icon to set the message as high priority. When it's on, you'll usually see a small exclamation indicator appear near the subject line or in the toolbar, confirming that your email will be sent with high importance. A quick note on what this actually does. Marking an email as high priority adds a visible high importance flag, often a red exclamation point, that many email clients highlight. It helps your message stand out in the recipient's inbox. However, it doesn't force the message to the very top of their inbox or guarantee an immediate response. It's a signal, not a shortcut. Because of that, use it thoughtfully for time-sensitive or critical messages. While you're here, craft a clear, concise subject line that explains why the email is urgent, such as action needed by end of day or time-sensitive request. In the body, lead with the key ask or deadline so your recipient immediately knows what's needed. If you change your mind, you can click the exclamation icon again to turn off high priority. Once your message is written and the high priority indicator is set, you're ready to proceed as you normally would. When the email is sent, your recipient will see it marked as high importance, and you'll be able to confirm the flag in your Sent folder as well. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook from Google, create a new email, go to Options, and select the exclamation icon for high priority. Use it sparingly, explain the urgency clearly, and your important messages will stand out exactly when they need to.